This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 8 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 9, air conditioning, smoke detector, Colorado detector, oven, refrigerator, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, awning, slideout, TV, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is 15,600 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.